Hey guys, Ultra Bliss here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Z Air Plus. This laptop is quite interesting. Apparently it's I don't know actually where it's from, but this laptop is fairly new. It is a good laptop for those guys who want to do assignments, homework, and etc. As you can see here, according to the specs, they aren't that great. I must say the screen though, it's got a reasonable screen. It's got a 1080p screen. I don't know how good the screen is, but apparently, yeah, this is where the downfall is. You got a Celeron processor, and it's got some Intel HD graphics. I don't know why they had to show a gaming icon there. It's very weird. Like, I mean, yeah, it's just graphics. You don't have to put a gaming joystick there. But it's also got 4 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 500 gigs of storage, and I don't even know why you have to mention the camera, because no one ever uses those on a laptop except for those guys who actually want to Skype call their girlfriend or whatnot. So already by looking at the packaging itself, it shows you that obviously the packaging in the whatever device is in here is really good quality. Yeah, that's the manual, and this is, wait, no, that's a warranty card. That's a warranty card, you don't want to lose that. This is the manual, shows you how to use Windows 10. If you've never used Windows 10, you'll definitely need one of these. There's a little bit of side packaging here. Let's have a look at that. Into the box. Okay, there's nothing outside. Let's go straight into the box, and we have a very not so pleasing looking charger. It's the laptop. There's nothing else here, is there? Nope. It's all just box. So we literally have the laptop. Let's throw this away. The laptop, the manual, and the charger.
I can't believe you've done this.
Let's have a look here. As you can see here, we've got a USB 3.0, the charging outlet, that's HDMI mini, and USB-C, and I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a locking mechanism for locking your PC if you go out and you don't want to find an empty spot. And looking at the other side, we've got a LAN port, traditional LAN port, and USB 3.0, headphone jack, and micro SD card. Quite interesting, because a lot of laptops these days don't really come with those. Keyboard itself looks pretty good. It very much covers the whole body of the laptop, which is actually aesthetically pleasing. Let's switch it on, shall we?
Oh no!
You can see it's got like some light leaking from the edges of the laptop. Depending on which direction you're looking in, sometimes you see more light leaking from the edges, sometimes you don't. In a way, I can imagine it can be a bit annoying. It can be so annoying depending on what you're doing. One thing I noticed immediately is this touchpad. Although it's a very wide touchpad, I hate how the whole thing doesn't click. So unlike Lenovo's and HP's, if you touch and try press in at any point, it won't click in. It's all solid. It can take some getting used to. It still clicks here in the edges, but as soon as you go further up, you're not gonna get any clicks. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. There isn't really much, unfortunately, to cover about the laptop, for it is a very simple laptop for those who just want to stream movies and or do assignments and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys got something useful out of this video. Maybe you're thinking of purchasing one of these. Now you kind of have a better idea of what it is and what to expect. Make sure to leave a